welcome to Bodybarre TV. Flair here. Let's add some flexi flair to your chair. Let's get friendly with our chair with some fiery fan kicks. Okay, so let's get familiar with our fan kick over the back of our chair. Going for a swivel. So choose the leg closest to the back of your chair, holding on to the top. Try to sweep it all the way across, using your hands to help you balance in the middle as you bring this leg to join the party. Push off the top of your chair, switch hands to bring both legs to the floor. How about, let's not even think about it, let's just get from A to B. Up and over. This time, try to squeeze your legs to straighten them for some extra style. If your legs aren't quite ready, you can straighten them up later and we can stay bent leg for now to make the same shape. Skill number 2 is the seated fan kick. We get to have a little lie back and relax those abs and scoot your bum to the edge of the chair. One hand on the back, same shape. Because we are leaning back into our chair, we can make our shape even bigger. And on the way back, we can even freeze and give it a wink. Skill number 3, the flick it, split it. I'm going to show you this slowly and then we're going to talk about it. Okay, so we're going to start with the leg closest. So you squeeze this leg straight the whole time. Use your hands on your chair for support. This bent leg is going to come over the top to face this side of the room. Into your chest, turn your belly button to face the front and try to extend both of your legs as straight as you can. Squeeze your butt and lead back with that fan kick that we know. Bottom leg goes to the floor, keep falling over, straight, 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 arrived. So let's join all 3 skills together. Okay, so starting with our fan kick to the back. So choose a side, fan kick over the top. Plant those legs down, maybe stop for a trace. Show off that leg and maybe add in a dramatic flair head. Moving into your seated fan kick. Remember you can bend those legs to make that easier and maybe shoot it back to your audience before we go into our third shape. Squeeze that leg across and down. Take a ride in the hot seat with me again soon.